Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to this particular video. We'll be talking about Alphpad. Okay, Alphpad. So Alphpad is one of the features of the Alephium ecosystem where you can just come and have a quick glance at some of our projects and the features we have ready on the platform. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll have about five segments that the core team is talking about and where we're headed in the 2026 up to the second quarter. First quarter is January, February, March. Second quarter is April, May, June. Okay. So from this very point where we are now, we are in the fourth quarter of 2025. Today is October 29th. Let me see. Today is October 28th. So we have the new website, launch of the redesigned Alphpad website with improved user interface, analytics, integration, and streamlined project listings. Okay, new tier system, introduction of the new tiered staking and access model, PEX, focused, yield-free, and loyalty-based. Okay, this will be during the first quarter of 2026. Okay, launch system upgrade, deployment of the new multi-stage launch process supporting stablecoin raises and seeds, private and public sales. That's in the first quarter of 2026. We have the DAO model, launch of the on-chain governance platform for community proposals, voting, and treasury management, open to all Alephium projects. That will be in the second quarter of 2026. And we have project incubator, introduction of the Alphpad incubator, providing technical, business, and fundraising support to emerging Alephium projects. That will be on the second quarter of 2026. Okay, so we should expect more expansion for the Alphpad. Okay, as the core team carry out new expeditions and proposed innovations, they will be populated in this Alphpad. Okay, so what excites me is the new redesigned Alphpad website with the new graphics user interface. Okay, experience that will be awesome. And also we're going to be having they talked about the staking that will be coming up in the first quarter of 2026. So first January, February, March, we expect the staking to come with new tiered. Okay, staking is like a traditional when you carry out fixed deposit actions in your traditional banks. Okay, you can make a fixed deposit for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, and the list goes on. But the higher the duration of your staking of your fixed deposit, the higher your interest. So that's exactly what we do in the cryptocurrency world when we talk about staking. Okay, just like the core team have said, there'll be new tiered staking. There'll be various staking options. We'll have 1 month staking option with a particular interest rate. We'll have 3 months. We'll have 4 months. We'll have 6 months. We'll have 1 year. So irrespective of a geographical location, you can use this to be a kind of passive source of income where you can stake your tokens to earn more Alph tokens. That you can expand and use. This will help preserve the integrity of the network because so many tokens will be taken out of circulating supply or have little tokens in circulation, and therefore there will be price appreciation. So this is a welcome development. Launch system upgrade. Okay, so this supports stablecoin raises and seed, private and public sales. Okay, so this is when we want to raise funds from general public, using stablecoin. Stablecoin is like USDT, USDC, and so we can use it for. We're going to the core team will be carrying out private seed, private and public sales, where some product or tokens will be able to be sold to the public to raise funds to further develop the Alephium ecosystem. Okay, so talked about voting rights. Voting rights, it depends on the amount of token you have. That will determine your voting rights on the Alephium ecosystem, treasury management, and open to all Alephium projects. And lastly, project incubator, traditional Alphpad incubator, providing technical business and fundraising support to emerging Alephium project. Okay, technical business, where you have professionals in these particular spheres that will come and give you technical analysis and the nitty-gritty of the business proposals you like to indulge in. Okay, that's a project incubator. So this is just what the Alphpad encompasses. So it's just a new feature the core team has developed, and it's a very interesting one. It launched about 18 months ago. So you can always feel free to ask questions about the Alphpad in the official Telegram group. If you need any clarification, you can ask questions, and the administrators will be glad to answer your questions. If you have also if you have contribution, you can also contribute, and the call team will listen to your contribution and will value it. And lastly, you can also head to the Twitter page, our official Twitter handle, and you can also ask your questions on X platform, and our support will be there to answer your questions if you need any, or you can ask on this YouTube link. Okay, so Alphpad is a good one. Get ready for it and for the upcoming activities, and you'll be on a good boat. Take care of yourself and stay blessed. Okay, bye.